Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Business Profile in 2026, step by step. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, local shop owner, restaurant owner, or service provider, Google Business Profile is one of the best free tools for getting more customers from Google Search and Google Maps. The best part is that you don't need any advanced technical skills to use it, so let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the Google Business Profile website. Sign in using the Google account that manages your business profile. If you've already created your profile, your business dashboard will appear after signing in. On the dashboard, you'll see several options for managing your business. Start by checking your business information. Make sure your business name, address, phone number, website, business category, and operating hours are correct. Accurate information helps customers trust your business and makes it easier for them to contact or visit you. Next, upload high-quality photos. Add your business logo, storefront, office, products, services, team members, or completed projects. Businesses with clear and attractive photos usually receive more customer attention than profiles with no images. Now, move to the post section. Here you can share business updates, promotions, discounts, special offers, new products, upcoming events, or important announcements. Posting